लिखे नहीं। To an extraordinary extent, the modern businessman is depend upon the banker and the banking system. Full stop. One enthusiastic writer, comma, proud of the dominating influence exercised by the banks, comma, insists that the cessation even for a day or two of the bankers' activities would certainly cause a complete paralysis of the economic life of the nation. Full stop. Such a cessation would assuredly be found to produce swifter and more far reaching effects than the strike of the most effective labor union. Full stop. The merchant works by means of the credit facilities he enjoys, comma, and he would have no facilities either to collect or to pay his accounts. Full stop. Unable to discount the bills he held, comma, unable to cash the checks paid to him, comma, he could not meet the obligations constantly falling due, comma, and must eventually become bankrupt. Full stop. His signature on a check would be useless. Full stop. The manufacturer making for a market distant in time and place, comma, depends upon the sport of the banks, comma, and that sport falling he must cease work, comma, no matter how sincerely he might desire to carry on. Full stop. Whether money is scarce or plentiful, comma, whether overdrafts are hard or easy to obtain, comma, is a matter of supreme importance to the trader. Full stop. The stock he has bought is carried on credit, semicolon. If the banker, comma, the interpreter of the financial state of the country, comma, restricts the credit, then the trader is obliged to unload, comma, to sell his stock with as little sacrifice as possible. Full stop. He could not exist without the liberal help of the banker. Full stop. The picture drawn of the banks were is little exaggerated. Full stop. True, comma, the banker is only a middleman, semicolon. He connects the people who save with the people who are able to employ savings in the creation of wealth. Full stop. In our country, comma, at any rate, comma, people have a deep rooted confidence in the security of funds entrusted to others. Full stop. They are willing to deposit with bankers and content themselves with moderate interest upon their deposits, comma, the rate of interest being precisely ascertainable at any time, full stop, unwilling or unable to use their accumulated savings themselves, comma, they provide the means whereby the banker meets the needs of those that work and trade on borrowed capital. Full stop. This is absolutely certain. Full stop. There is no room for skepticism on the matter, full stop. Our people, comma, says without comma are holder in dealing with their money than any continental nation, full stop.